If you are planning on purchasing real estate within the state of Florida and are going to be in need of mortgage financing for that purchase, then you are in the right place. Matt, the Fish and Finance Guy here, and I would like to welcome you to my channel. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. And if you've been here before, thanks for coming back. This channel is going to be all about mortgages. Now, I certainly realize that mortgages are not necessarily the most exciting topic for most people. But if you are not in a position to write a check and pay cash for a real estate purchase, then a mortgage is a necessary evil. And I want to help share information about products and programs and qualifying and details to help empower you and guide you down the right path for you with whatever your real estate investing goals and desires are. So whether you are considering purchasing your first home as an end user, for your own personal use as a primary residence, whether you are considering a purchase for future retirement purposes or a vacation home in the interim, or whether you are considering investing in Florida real estate to generate income from a real estate asset located anywhere in the state of Florida, I would welcome the opportunity to connect with you, see what your goals, plans, needs, and desires are, and see if we have a solution for you. There are many more mortgage products in the market today than there were just a few years ago. Now, that number is certainly going to be less than what it was around 20 years ago with some of the legislation that was passed and came into existence after the housing crisis. A lot of the questionable loans and don't need to document anything loans are no longer available or viable in the marketplace. However, with that being said, there are many new programs available in recent years that may allow you to accomplish your real estate investing goals that you may not be aware of. So stay tuned to future episodes, and I'll be talking about all different types of things relative to mortgages. So whether that is comparing an FHA loan versus a conventional loan for a lower down payment scenario or an entry-level buyer, or whether that is a DSCR loan for investors to avoid the paperwork of tax returns and other elements that may pose to be challenging when investing in real estate. There are viable, legitimate, and qualifiable loans that are compliant under current lending guidelines available in the market. And my goal here on this channel is to share all these kinds of variables and details with you to help you be a more informed and better educated consumer when it comes to purchasing real estate. On a going forward basis, you can expect to see information about a wide variety of topics within the mortgage lending space. So whether this is the pros and the cons of PMI and what that really means, FHA versus conventional, down payment levels and how they impact your pricing and your details, and potentially the cost of your PMI, how credit scores come into play on those variables as well, why FHA is sometimes a better option than a conventional loan, and why in some instances it may not be. So if you would like to be notified of future videos when they are released, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and I'll look forward to seeing you in future videos. If there is anything you would like to see or learn more about, feel free to drop it in the comments below or reach out and let me know directly, and I'd be more than happy to see if I could cover that topic specifically for you and get that pushed out there so everyone can enjoy the content. So a lot of the content that I plan to share is going to be a direct result of some of the most common questions I get from potential clients or scenarios that come my way that are truly just complete misconceptions in the eyes of a general consumer out there in society. When it comes to investing in real estate, oftentimes it can be a little more challenging than, let's say, someone purchasing a home as the end user for their own personal use and enjoyment. And there are a few reasons as to why that may be the case. And then the simple fact that there are alternate products and solutions available in the market that may allow you to invest in real estate, even if you don't necessarily fit inside the normal qualifying box and what all those guidelines call for. Now, when it comes to the loan programs that are available in the United States today in the world of mortgage lending, things are much different than they were 20 to 25 years ago before the whole housing meltdown in the early to mid 2000s. So at this time, there are not nearly as many options as there were back then, but there are new products and programs that are in the market today that may allow you to accomplish your real estate investing or purchasing goals that aren't necessarily in the confines of the normal FHA or VA or Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac realm. So again, if you have any specific questions you would like me to address on this channel, please reach out, leave me a comment down below, and I would be happy to chat with you about anything you may be considering to see if what you want to do is something that could be accomplished if financing is something you're going to need to allow you to do that. And if you would like to learn what it's like to live in Southwest Florida, check out my other channel. I'll drop the link down below, but I have another channel that is more real estate related, not mortgage related, and all about living in the Southwest Florida market. So if you're considering relocating here, or again, simply looking to invest here, maybe as a secondary residence for yourself and you plan to do some vacationing and spending some time in this area, check out that channel as well. You might learn a thing or two about the area that you didn't know before. I'll look forward to hearing from you. I'll look forward to seeing you in future videos. Thanks again for tuning in. Matt, the Efficient Finance Guy, proudly representing Main Street Home Loans, NMLS ID 296861. Make it a great day out there, and we'll see you again. Well, hey there, if you are still with me, thanks for sharing a little time with me today. I hope you found this video helpful and informative at any point, and whether that is 2 weeks, 2 months, or 2 years from now. If you have any questions about financing or mortgages for any type of property located anywhere within the state of Florida, please feel free to reach out. I'd be more than happy to have an initial consultation with you, learn a little bit about what your needs, wants, and desires are, and see if we can come up with a loan program custom suited to take care of your situation. If you are self-employed, we have solutions in the market today that can help you with that as well. If you have ran into financing issues due to self-employment in the past, and if you are seeking standard, traditional, regular financing, we do all those loan programs really well as well. I would be more than happy to consult with you and put my team to work for you. Make it a great day. Thanks for watching, and I'll look forward to hearing from you if there's anything you'd like to discuss. This is Matt, the Efficient Finance Guy, proudly representing Main Street Home Loans, NMLS ID 296861, and we'll see you again in the next video.